Planning a trip with your furry friend and wondering what to pack? Well, one of the first dog travel essentials you should consider is a collapsible travel bowl. These nifty bowls are lightweight, portable, and a breeze to pack. They're perfect for quenching your pup's thirst and feeding them during outdoor escapades or even long car rides. Ensuring your dog stays hydrated and well-fed on the go is crucial, so don't underestimate the importance of these compact lifesavers. Remember, a well-fed dog is a happy dog, and collapsible travel bowls make mealtimes on the go a breeze. Ever wondered how to ensure your dog's comfort during your travels? It's all about the bed, my friends, a travel bed that is. A comfortable travel bed is your ticket to a contented canine during your journey. You'll want to look for options that are lightweight, compact, and a breeze to clean. This way, your furry buddy can snooze in style no matter where your adventure takes you. But what about when your pooch is awake and ready to explore? That's where a sturdy leash and harness come into play. Safety and security are paramount during outings, especially in unfamiliar environments. A well-fitted harness can provide ample support without putting undue pressure on your dog's neck. Think of it as your dog's personal safety belt. With these essentials, your dog will be both comfortable and safe during your travels. Want to make your dog's travel experience even safer and more secure? Consider providing them with a travel crate or carrier. These aren't just for keeping your car clean. They offer a safe and secure space for your dog during journeys. Look for a crate or carrier that is well ventilated and sturdy. Size matters too, so make sure it's appropriately sized for your dog, offering enough room for them to move comfortably. Now let's talk about the unexpected. A first aid kit designed for dogs is a must-have travel accessory. It's all about being prepared for any emergencies or minor injuries. What should go in there? Think about essentials such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers. And don't forget any necessary medications prescribed by your veterinarian. With a travel crate or carrier and a dog-specific first aid kit, you'll be ready for any adventure with your furry friend. So, we've covered quite a bit about dog travel essentials, haven't we? From lightweight, easy-to-pack collapsible travel bowls to a cozy travel bed for restful snoozes. We've talked about the importance of a sturdy leash and harness for safe walks, and a secure, well-ventilated travel crate for comfortable journeys. And let's not forget the crucial first aid kit, tailored for your pup's needs. With these essentials packed and ready, you and your furry friend are all set for a great travel adventure. Safe travels and tail wags to you both.